Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain you about the very important tool that is very helpful to remove the plagiarism or to reduce the plagiarism in your research article or research paper. So before going to start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos like this. So here is the name of that tool, that is QuillBot AI paraphrasing tool. So when you submit your research article to any of the journal, if your plagiarism of the article exceeds more than 10%, then the journal is going to recommend you to reduce the plagiarism and resubmit. So at that time, so you require the softwares like to reduce the plagiarism, because so if you want to change or if you want to modify, it is difficult for any of the researchers. So at that time you require some of the softwares or tools so that you can take the help of them and reduce your plagiarism of the article. So here very important tool, that is QuillBot AI paraphrasing tool. So this is free paraphrasing tool. You can rewrite any paragraph of the article, and you can represent or write better, faster and clear with the free paraphrasing tool. So millions are going to trust this, and here you have many of the facilities other than the paraphrasing or to removing the plagiarism. You can also check the grammar of your article, or AI text summarizer, language translator, so AI detector, artificial intelligence, and citation generator. So first we require here information on how to reduce the plagiarism of the article. So click on this first link or go to directly paraphrasing tool. So here if I will click on this first link, you are going to redirect it to the website of this soft QuillBot. So here you have the many of the options. Which one you required, you can select that and go for that. So here for reducing plagiarism, click on paraphraser. You can also check the plagiarism within this software. So here you will have this interface. So here is the box where you can paste your text or the para, and if you click on paraphraser, your entire text or the para is going to be modified and represented in new unique way. So where you can reduce the plagiarism. So let us take here the plagiarism report that has been generated from Turnitin. So if you have the plagiarism report, then you are going to identify where actually the plagiarism happened in your article or the research paper. Then select those lines or para and copy that text and paste it in the QuillBot. So here you can see these are the lines, the colors you can observe. That means the similarity or the overlap happened in your research article from different papers. So at the end here, the once the plagiarism report has been generated, how much percentage the plagiarism happened and from which paper maximum percentage has happened, you can observe here, and you will get the idea actually how to reduce the plagiarism. So each of the article, if you take 1% similarity is there, so maximum similarity is for these above 3 sources. So identify them and try to reduce. So I will select here one of the paragraph from this above text. So you need to have the word file, copy from your word file. So I am going to copy this paragraph where we have observed the plagiarism. So copy and paste it in this QuillBot paraphraser tool, paste. So you can observe here. So maximum 125 words in a para you can modify. So click on paraphraser. So you can see within a fraction of second your text has been modified, but still you can make the changes here. So if you click rephrase, it is going to represent in another different way. So maximum you can represent 3 to 4 different ways. Which one you like, you can copy the text. So you can see if you rephrase again, it is going to change this para. If you click again, once again the paragraph is going to change. So in 3 to 4 ways it is going to modify your para, and which one you like and which one is best for your article, you can select that text and you can still modify here. If you click on this word, you will have many options here. You can change the word that suits for your paper. Okay, so copy this text. So if I will click interaction, you can have this many of the options. So you can change that word. So I am going to copy this text. Okay, and paste it here, or else okay. So here this entire text has been modified, and before that you should verify whatever the spelling or grammar corrections if necessary. If it is okay, fine, then you can proceed. So like that, copy the paragraph or the lines where plagiarism occurred and paste it here, and click on paraphrase, and your entire the para or the words has been modified. Copy that and you can use that in your research article. So like that you can reduce the plagiarism. So you have different options here: mode, standard, fluency, natural, formal, academic, simple. So you have the options here. So you can select one of the good options for your research article and go for that. So as I said, not only rewriting your article, you can also check the grammar here. Okay, and here AI detector, plagiarism checker, and summarizer, translator, so citation generator. So this is one of the very good software you can utilize for various purposes. Okay, so just go to them which is necessary for you, but here to reduce the plagiarism, it is one of the good tool, so you can go for that. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.